Hello everyone, welcome to the Year 10 Merit Award Assembly today. Mr Nelson and myself will be presenting the merits for the students who have so far this year received the particular colour and their particular merit award. We're going to start with a prayer this morning. Today's August the 19th and there's United Nations recognised this day as World Humanitarian Day, where the world commemorates humanitarian workers killed and injured in the course of their work. And we honour all aid and health workers who continue, despite the odds, to provide life-saving support and protection to people most in need. Amen. Okay, so we're going to start with the presentation of merit badges in a moment. I just wanted to firstly just congratulate most of the students in Year 10 doing a super job this second round of virtual learning. So I just want to remind all students to please continue to be in contact with your teachers so that everyone understands what's going on. If you have any questions, the easiest thing to do is quickly email staff so that you can be organised and prepared for your learning. Okay, so we're going to start with the 10A Red Merit Awards. Now, I will be presenting the Red Merits. I'll be reading the students' names out, and then Mr. Nelson will be presenting and reading out the Blue Merit Awards and the Gold Merit Award winner too. So, firstly from 10A, the Red Merits. Congratulations to Harrison Black, Mason Farley, Callum Hancock, Mimi Maher, Peta Mahoney, Alexandra Rea, Nell White.
Hi everyone, these are the 10A Blue Merits. Mimi Maher. And well done to 10A, that's your homeroom finished.
Okay, 10B Red Merits. First one, Paddy Gleeson, Ella Griffiths, Jamie Lloyd, Sophie Wrigley. Congratulations. 10C Red Merit Award winners. Ethan Boyd. Congratulations. 10D Red Merit Awards. Lucy Al-Haj. Congratulations to Lucy. 10F Red Merit Award winners. Bree Fox, Libby Gass, Samara Herpich, Quade Hinckley, Lachlan Main, Grace Rafferty, Eddie Worrall.
And these people from 10F have received a Blue Merit. Bree Fox, Libby Gass, Samara Herpich, Quade Hinckley, and that's all for that homeroom. Congratulations.
10G Red Merit Award winners. Sebastian Hinton, Zack Houlihan, Greta Hoy, Clara Hunold, Amy Lowe, Reilly Lumsden, Phoebe Marris, Curran O'Donnell, Darcy O'Keefe, Danelle Perera, Lawson Spratt. Congratulations.
Okay, these people got a Blue Merit for 10G, Zack Houlihan, Reilly Lumsden, Phoebe Marris, Danelle Perera. Congratulations.
And 10H Red Merit Award winners. Jason Nepean, Erin Russell, Martin Wallers. Well done.
10H Blue Merit, Jason Nepean. And we also have one recipient of a Gold Merit. Congratulations to this person who's the first in Year 10 this year to receive Gold. And that is Jason Nepean. Congratulations, a fantastic effort. And again, the first person in Year 10 this year in 2020 to receive the Gold Merit. Congratulations, Jason.
Okay, thank you everyone for I guess, watching the first virtual Year 10 Merit Award ceremony. Just parting, I guess, note, please, the Year 10 leaders, I want to just say a big thank you to them. They've put together a newsletter that's going to be coming out weekly. So if Year 10 students could please be reading that each week on a Friday morning, and feel free to share that with your parents and guardians at home to have a quick little read and just see what's going on in Year 10. Other than that, keep working hard and have a great rest of Term 3. I hope everything goes well. Thank you very much. Thanks to Mr. Nelson and thanks to Peter Sass-Manhausen for helping with this presentation.